The current scientific standard of Big Bang cosmology is fascinating, but it raises some very basic questions. If the entire universe began with the bang of an infinitesimal point of singularity containing all matter, space, and time, and it continues to expand exponentially, it seems these and other paradoxes must eventually be resolved. How did the original material that banged come into being? What exactly is expanding? Matter and energy, or matter, energy, and space? If space is a created substance along with matter and is expanding with it, into what is the universe expanding? If the answer to that question is nothing, then is nothing different than empty space? Or are they the same, meaning space is nothing, not a created substance, but rather just a word to signify complete absence of anything? And how can the universe be infinite, as some claim, if it continues to expand? Wouldn't this point to, instead, that whatever the universe is expanding into is infinite? I'm skeptical that answers to basic questions like these concerning space-time with its three dimensions can ever be made intelligible without taking into consideration a fourth and most fundamental dimension, eternity, that is, the realm of the divine. After all, to understand or define anything of the created order, one must view it as a substance within its greater context. Therefore, it's reasonable to wonder whether the temporal universe can ever be made intelligible to the mind's eye without the greater context of being grounded and enveloped in the unchanging realm of the eternal. This is just another example of how all is meaningless without God, and how science and theology are complementary means of gaining understanding of both creation and ourselves. And that's your Murano Minute, enveloped in the eternal now.